Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix a very common problem with OBS, which is like the black screen display capture on Windows 11. Now first let's start with basic things. Probably you will fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, I will show you other methods that will 100% fix your problem. Now first you just need to click here on help, the first thing, and then you want to click on check for updates. Now just need to check if the OBS is up to date. It says here no updates are currently available, which is exactly what we want. Now after you do this, you want to click on this plus button here under the sources, and then you want to check here, you want to select display capture. Okay, and after that you want to click on OK, and then you want to click here the capture method. You want to go with automatic, and then here display you want to go with mentor, primary mentor. Okay, and after that you want to click on OK. Now this probably will fix your problem. Okay, just check and see if this fixes your problem or not. Like I said, always run your OBS as an administrator. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator, just to give it the full access in order to be able to record without any problems. Just click on Windows I. It's going to take you here. Now just need to click here on display. After that you want to click on, and you want to scroll down to click on graphics. Now after that you want to click on add desktop app, and then you want to find here the OBS program. Now probably it's in your PC. Just click on your PC, then click on program files. Now you want to click on OBS Studio, find the app. Okay, find it, and then what you need to do is you want to add it here. It's already here, so that's why it's not allowing me to do that. Now after that you just need to give it all permissions. This is it. Click on it and then click on let Windows decide here, and then you want to change it to high performance if you are like recording games, but if normal use you want to go with power savings. Here the optimization for Windows with games, remove from list. You don't need to remove it, just leave it there. Okay, so check now if the problem is solved or not. I hope this fixes your problem. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.